Are you trying to choose the best Linux distribution? Today, we are comparing Linux Mint, Ubuntu, and Fedora. Let's find out which one might be right for you. All three of these tools are popular Linux operating systems. They aim to provide a user friendly experience. Each has its own look and feel, but they share a common goal, making Linux accessible to everyone. First, let's talk about Linux Mint. It's known for its simplicity and ease of use. Mint is great for beginners. It has a familiar desktop layout, which makes it easy to navigate. Plus, it comes with many applications pre-installed, so you can start using it right away. Now, let's move on to Ubuntu. This is one of the most popular Linux distributions. Ubuntu focuses on a modern design and a vibrant community. It often gets the latest updates and features. It's perfect for those who want a polished experience and access to a wide range of software. Then we have Fedora. This one is known for being cutting edge. It often includes the latest technologies and software. Fedora is great for developers and tech enthusiasts who want to experiment. However, it might not be the best choice for complete beginners. Now, let's look at the key differences. Linux Mint is user friendly and stable. Ubuntu is modern and community driven. Fedora is for those who want the latest features and tech. When it comes to features, Mint offers a traditional desktop experience. Ubuntu has a unique interface called GNOME. Fedora provides a more customizable environment. In terms of pricing, all three are free to use. You can download and install them without any cost. So, which one should you choose? If you're new to Linux, go with Linux Mint. If you want a modern experience, try Ubuntu. And if you're a tech lover, Fedora is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons.